Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ERN. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel on the weekly time frame chart, and recently it has broken down the support of this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of ERN that I shared with my members a few days back on 1st of November, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that ERN formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, ERN also formed another guardrail move that I also shared with my members, and that was on this candlestick on 18th of July. And before that, ERN formed this bad move. Let me begin with this one. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well. That was a very huge pump. And this was also a 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, I shared this idea that was in the month of July 2022. And this was almost 60% pump. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very powerful reversal move from this potential reversal zone. And after hitting the sell target zone, it moved here sideways. That was almost 60% pump. And this is the most recent one that I've shared a few days back on 1st of November. And you can see our buying zone was at $2.52 and goes to $2.35, and our sell target was from $2.76 and goes to $3.01. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started another very nice reversal. This was, by the way, almost 20% pump on the 4-hour time frame chart, and the price line again moved down. Now, if we take a look at this breakout, you can see we have been watching this breakout, and even we have been following this channel before the breakout as well. And recently, you can see it has also found another uptrend line support as well, and before breaking out, it also tested this uptrend line support here, and also this key support that we have here at $1.40, and could not break out this resistance, by the way, that we have at $4.15. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it was surged more than 290%, but could not break it out, this resistance, and drop down. And you can see exactly from this uptrend line support, it is again bounced. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and we are likely to have another bounce here. And I think it can also form this broadening wedge. You can see whenever it is getting bounced, it is forming higher than previous high, like it did here, it did here. So it is possible that it will do it once again. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame on the daily time frame chart, you can see we have a bad situation. It has broken down the support of this falling wedge pattern, but it is still moving above this support of $1.54. That is, by the way, a short-term support. You can see recently it has found this support here and here as well. Our main key support will be still here at $1.40 on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that after getting bounced, the price line is moving between this support of wedge and this support of $1.54. And by the way, this support of the wedge is now acting as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see price line formed this low here, and the next low is still higher than previous low. It is possible that we may have another sell-off and it may form another lower low, but so far it is forming a higher low than previous low. At the same time, you can see that RSI is moving in the opposite direction. It is forming lower than previous low. So price line is forming higher low than previous low, and RSI is forming lower low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart, and this is the reason I'm expecting that it will not move more down, and it may not break down this support as well. For example, if the price line moves up from here and re-entered the wedge and also breaks out the resistance of the wedge, then our target for this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $4.40, and in that situation, it can also break out this resistance of $4.15 as well. That is a very strong resistance, by the way. Previously it was breaking as a support here, here, and here, and recently you can see it was breaking as a strong rejection or resistance level. And the final target for this breakout that is still due is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.